For improved system performance, long-term financial returns, and less risk on your PV projects, look to the proven performance of DuPont Materials and Solutions.
Hello again and welcome to this week's PV Tech Newscast. Coming up, research predicts 21 gigawatt of module manufacturing offline by 2015. New Jersey passes a law requiring companies to purchase more solar energy. And low polysilicon prices continue to impact LDK Solar. GTM Research's latest PV report has predicted that 21 gigawatt of PV module manufacturing capacity will come offline by 2015 due to the global market resolving its supply-demand imbalance. The report estimates that this year alone module supply will be in excess of global demand by almost 110%. That's around 59 gigawatt of total supply compared to 30 gigawatt of demand. Furthermore, GTM expects wafer, cell and module manufacturers to withdraw a combined 60 gigawatt of capacity by 2015. Meanwhile, NPD Solarbuzz released figures this week suggesting the factors which have been affecting supply and demand across the industry will partially stabilize in the second half of the year. Module production costs will drop, driven by silicon and non-silicon processing costs that will see a decline of between 20 and 35% during 2012. Looking to the US now, and New Jersey has passed a law that requires companies to purchase more solar energy. According to the bill, companies have to obtain 2.05% of their total energy from solar in the energy year 2014 under the new renewable portfolio standard. After that, the amount of solar energy required will be raised every year to 4.1% by 2028. At the moment, the amount of renewable energy companies are required to purchase is measured in gigawatts as opposed to percentages. We recently heard that SunPower completed a 1.8 megawatt PV installation at the main building of Bloomberg's New Jersey campus. In passing the new bill, the New Jersey State Legislature hopes to revive the solar industry in the state. The bill now has to be approved by Governor Chris Christie. This week's victim of industry hardship is LDK Solar, where business conditions have worsened considerably since reporting fourth quarter financial results at the end of April. The integrated PV manufacturer has slashed both polysilicon production and full-year revenue guidance, while meeting the low mark of guided sales in its first quarter 2012 results. LDK Solar had previously guided revenue in the range of between $2 billion and $2.7 billion for this year, but has significantly revised this downwards to between $1.5 and $2 billion. Polysilicon production has also been slashed from previous guidance of between 12 and 15,000 metric tons to between 5 and 7,000 metric tons. A key problem for LDK has been the continued price declines for polysilicon, which have dropped into the low $20 per kilo range, well below its production costs. Further information on the company's figures and shipment revisions is available on pv-tech.org. Finishing up with a technology development, and TÜV Sud has confirmed a 24.3% conversion rate for Schmid Silicon Technology's hydrochlorination process for the synthesis of tri-chloro-silane at its Saxony, Dresden plant. The study, conducted in December last year, saw that the operating parameters were lowered to the minimum setting in order to determine the absolute minimum conversion rate for the company's hydrochlorination system under worst operating conditions. The plant was run at 50% of its nominal output, dropping the reaction time of the fluidized bed reactor to 60%, and the reaction temperature was set to a minimum. Under these conditions, the conversion rate for the hydrochlorination process was 24.3%, a significant efficiency level that is said to deliver advantages in terms of operation, safety, and cost compared to conventional high-pressure systems. Well, that's all for this week. You can check out all of the week's news, as well as an exclusive 4-part video interview with Suntech CEO Dr. Shi on the pv-tech.org website. Tune in next week for more updates.